What is a conversion goal? A conversion goal for an experiment is basically a data point that you want to observe. Meaning, you have a test and you have some sort of idea about if we make this change, it should cause this other thing to happen. The other thing is the conversion goal. A lot of times there's confusion around the word conversion. Conversion is an observable data point. It's add to cart rate, clicks on the navigation, use of search, any user behavior that is trackable on the website. Within the context of an experiment, it's something that you want to measure to see what the change you're making, how it is affecting that behavior. There's different types of goals from a data standpoint. There are binary goals are the far more common ones. There's our binary in the sense of yes or no, like did the user perform this activity, yes or no. Yes, they clicked on the add to cart button. Okay, that is an add to cart goal conversion. The user has performed the behavior that you're tracking. Range goals are where the data can fall within a range of values rather than a yes or no condition. Range goals are things like revenue. You can have a purchase that is $10 or a purchase that is $100 or a purchase that is $1,000, right? But the revenue value, it's not a yes or no condition. Order placement would be a yes or no condition, whereas revenue can be much wider, and there's much more complicated statistics and math involved in determining if a range goal is being affected or not. Now, within goals and like how do you decide which ones to use, which ones to set up and stuff, the way we do it is we have three classifications there. There's a primary goal, secondary goals, and guardrail goals. Primary goals are this is the major thing that you are trying to observe or affect with your experiment. And there's always two primary goals on any given experiment that we run: a user behavior goal and a business benefit goal. The user behavior goal is this is the user behavior that we are specifically trying to affect with the experiment. Did the user do more or less of this activity? And then the business benefit goal is what is the consequential business benefit for this experiment? Typically that's going to be something at the bottom of the funnel: order conversion, revenue, average order value, order size. Something that has a monetary value directly attached to it. Secondary goals are going to be things that are related to the primary goals, but aren't the specific focus, other behaviors around the goals that you're tracking. So for example, if you're trying to increase product page views, a secondary goal might be add to cart rate or use of search or something like that. And then guardrail metrics are things that you want to make sure are not getting adversely affected by the experiment. And that's essentially what a conversion goal is.